Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for ways to make extra money online that are quick, easy, and worldwide, today's video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you 5 amazing survey websites that pay you and I to share our opinions. These platforms are available to people from most countries, and some even offer mobile apps, making it super easy to earn on the go. So let's dive right into the video. First up on our list is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is one of the most popular and trusted survey sites worldwide. Swagbucks pays users to answer surveys, watch videos, shop online, and more. The best part is it's available in over 70 countries of the world, including the USA, Canada, the UK, Australia, and many parts of Europe. It has a mobile app available on both iOS and Android, so you can earn points from your phone. This is how Swagbucks website interface looks like. Once you sign up, you're going to get surveys as long as you complete your profile. Make sure you complete your profile so that you'll be matched with surveys that are compatible or dedicated to your particular profile. You earn via surveys by completing surveys. There are lots of surveys to complete, and you earn points called SB, which can then be cashed out either via PayPal or gift card options. You can also earn with the daily pool. Swagbucks gives you daily pool each day you log in into your profile. And you can see I just signed up and I've made 126 SB so far. You can also earn by getting cashbacks on all your purchases. And the next one on our list is Toluna Influencers. Toluna is an engaging survey site with tons of surveys on current events, brands, and trending topics. Toluna is available in over 60 countries, including the United States, Canada, many parts of Asia, and Europe. This is what the website looks like. So when you sign up, make sure to complete your profile. Don't forget to verify your email address. You can also earn by completing surveys, participating in daily pools, and competitions. They also offer a mobile app available on both Android and iOS, so you can complete surveys wherever you are, whenever you want. Toluna influencers pay you through PayPal, or you can also redeem your points for gift cards to popular brands. So what's unique about this particular one is their interactive community. You can chat with other members, create pools, and more. So there are a lot of things you can do on this particular website. Prolific is an online research platform where anyone can get paid for participating in studies created by academic researchers, startups, and even big organizations. It's not like the typical survey sites that we are used to. Prolific focuses on high-quality, engaging studies that contribute to important research. Participants rate Prolific highly for its transparency and fair pay. The great news, it's available to users from many countries, and all you need to start is just a computer or mobile device and a PayPal account for cashing out. So when you come to Prolific website, sign up, and to get started, register, create a password, and verify your phone number. It takes just 2 minutes. Step 2 is the onboarding study. Take an example study to learn how Prolific works, which is about 10 minutes. The third one is to verify your account with your ID. You can do that using your passport, driving license, or an ID card. So they use Onfido, a third-party vendor, to complete the verification process, and Onfido will collect your information to verify your identity directly and use this information in accordance with its policies. PrizeRebel is another popular survey site that's available worldwide. With PrizeRebel, you can complete surveys, watch videos, or even sign up for free. Offers to earn points. They allow people from around the world, including the USA, Canada, Europe, Australia, and Asia. This is the website of PrizeRebel, and you get paid by taking free surveys, and then you redeem it for free PayPal cash, Bitcoins, and gift cards. So you're going to be able to choose from 200 plus rewards, including Amazon gift cards, Bitcoins, and PayPal cash. So all you have to do is to sign up using your email address or your Google account. Sign up and start getting paid. So how it works is that you sign up and then you earn points by completing simple short surveys, giving your opinion on products and services, and then you redeem, choose whichever payout options. So when you join as a member, you will have instant access to thousands of online opinion surveys. So complete them at your leisure and redeem earned points. So you have hundreds of instant rewards waiting for you. So they offer hundreds of gift cards from your favorite brands such as Amazon, eBay, Apple, Google, and many more. Last but not the least is YouGov, a survey site that is trusted by millions of users and even major companies. YouGov provides surveys about politics, brands, lifestyle, and more. And it's also available in over 40 countries, including the USA, UK, Australia, Germany, and many Asian countries. The minimum cash out for this one is $25. This is the homepage of YouGov. So use the link that I will leave in the description box, sign up. It brings you to this page after verifying your email address. So after you verify your email address and sign up, you're going to earn a free 50 points. Okay, so you redeem when you make up to 5,000 points, which is $50. So how you're going to earn is by completing tasks, completing surveys, talking about what matters, and also build your profile so that they will show you surveys that might interest you. So guys, let's recap here quickly. A list of the survey sites we covered today and the types of rewards they offer. Swagbucks, points redeemable for cash and gift cards. The second one is Toluna influencers, points redeemable for cash and gift cards. The third one is Prolific. Prolific pays you via PayPal. The fourth one is PrizeRebel. Points can be redeemed for cash and gift cards option. YouGov, points can be redeemed for cash and gift cards. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips for maximizing your earnings with these survey sites. Number 1, set aside specific time daily to complete surveys, even if it's just 15 to 30 minutes. Okay. 2, check notifications regularly if you're using the apps so you don't miss out on higher paying surveys. The third one is join multiple platforms to increase your earning potential. Don't just rely on one particular survey site. Okay, keep signing up, guys. Keep signing up. Like I always say in my videos, keep signing up. And that's a wrap. I hope you found this list helpful today. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more ways to earn online. So let us know in the comments which survey site you're going to try first. And if you have signed up, let us know if you have started earning. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy earning, guys.